Don't waste food. Don't waste time. Don't waste money. Don't waste energy. This is the way of life.
Loving Sai Ram. Welcome to the second episode of Sealing on Desires series. Do you remember the habit that we discussed in the first episode? We took a pledge that we would not let even a single grain of food go waste in our plate. Have you started practicing on this resolution? If not, then let's start this practice from today itself. Today in the second episode, we will listen to Swami's discourse on the topic of wastage of food that he delivered in the Second World Youth Conference in 1999. Sai Ram.
ఎంతమందో తిండి లేకుండా అవస్థలు పడుతున్నారు.
There are many people who don't have food
నీకు
to eat.
వడ్డించినటువంటి వన్ని వదిలిపెట్టిపోతే అది ఎక్కడ వేస్తావు?
If you just waste food, then what will happen to the
ఇది
poor
ఎంత
people?
పాపం ఇది.
It is the worst of the sins.
నీవు తినేటటువంటి తిను, తప్పు లేదు.
If it's possible, come on, eat.
కానీ
Doesn't
నీవు
matter.
తినకుండా బయట పారేసేస్తే ఎవరికైనా అందవలసినటువంటిది అందలేదు.
But don't waste the food. Don't throw it away.
మీకు తెలుసును ఈ ఒరిస్సా లోపల ఇప్పుడు పడుతున్నటువంటి బాధలు చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది.
You know the suffering there in the state of Orissa.
ముద్ద అన్నం చిక్కారంటే చాలా కష్టము.
They could not have morsel of food today.
వానికి తెలుసు ఈ సమయంలో అన్నం అంటే ఏమిటి.
He knows the value of food now.
ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వానికి అన్నం అంటే ఏమిటో వానికి అర్థం కాదు.
But where the person here does not know the value of food.
కనుక డోంట్ వేస్ట్ ఫుడ్. ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ గాడ్.
So Bhagavan tells you, don't waste food. Food is God.
How simply Swami explained the importance of not wasting food. If there still remains food left in our plate, knowingly or unknowingly, then do we now realize its gravity? So let us try from today onwards that we will not let the food in our plate go waste. Stay tuned for the next episode where we will bring another insight based on Swami's message on how we can avoid wastage of food. Jai Sai Ram.